Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Land Rover New Discovery Sport. With Land Rover at its heart, the new Discovery Sport is adept in challenging conditions. On pavement, gravel, sand, or snow, terrain response makes sure your drive is responsive, steady, and controlled. A host of stability systems enhance your traction, reducing engine torque by optimizing throttle and braking, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, trip computer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.